Oh, hi guys. I'm gonna make it look like everything looks like me. So we have to change like I have this belt and then like have that. Then let's go. Today guys, I'm using my laptop. So you don't care. My hair kind of looks like purple, I guess. Yeah. I need this. I can really have this cute hair over here. But those are color purple, dark, light.
Ayan,
What
dito,
is the
ayan,
same
dito.
color?
Kaya lang, dito.
Okay. I'll just give me this. This light, that's because I don't need it because I'm not a boy. Kind of thing looks matching and cute and me. Oh yeah, I like strawberries. And banana this. I have glasses. Oh, my cute expressions. Oh, there's so much money in these. It's supposed to be, I think I have money.
Upo na anak. Kahit pa natin po. Pwede natin upo.
Actually, I need my pants now. Oh my god, these are so cute. I really want to buy them. But I want to buy this one. I mean, this one, it looks so cute, this skirty. This one is cute skirt, so only this one is my favorite. Jacket here. Oh! This one is pink. This one's supposed to be pink. It's like that.
Ito. Oh, higa na.
So,
Higa na.
here we need shoes.
Ay, higa na.
Cuter.
Ito.
Cute socks. No. These were. These are what
Ano ba yan?
Ayan, mamaya.
Ito na. Dito na. Higa na. Ay. Dito na.
Okay.
Saan kayo kakain?
Okay, that's my.
Ito na.
Look at my friend over here. So it's like
Kaya po, kakain.
cute.
Dede na ang
Yummy! Yum! Thank you for cooking me that. It looks so yummy.
Ubusin mo. Gutom na.
Walang pasok bukas.
Aba, Lenjo, lalong pasok ano?
At wala na naman.
Ayos ah.
Na-assign sila teacher sa sa Friday na ang practice. Last practice na yun.
Kaya ano yun mo, baka magkamali ka.
Hindi, ngayon mag-recite.
Mine is gonna be my little kid. And I'm starting as a little baby kid. Like just a baby kid. Just like that. And I like the color of his skin to be like this, right? That's how a baby is colored.
We can also photo storage on fast. By putting photo storage agriculture, that's also part of the solution that we look
daw sa posibleng solusyon sa climate change at food security, ang konsepto ng food sovereignty. Ang food sovereignty ay isang sistema na isinusulong ang
Ba't nabago ang ano ito?
Ano, kaya sumakit ang
Bea, binago mo yung ano ito? Kulay? Ay, hindi ko alam. Ay, siya maganda. Eh, paano naman dito? Paano maano ito? Isang buong ganito. Ayan, itim. Ganun din. Gawin mo nga.
ina-exercise nyo din pati dapat ang paano.
Sige, ganyan din. Lahat yan, ganyan. Hindi, yung ano, messenger. Yung ano messenger, yung black, babaguhin. Paano? Yan.
Hindi.
Ayaw? Hindi ayaw?
Bawal.
Bawal?
Opo.
Bakit bawal?
I don't know. I love this dress. It's so cute.
Minecraft
No, put it
movie.
No, it only have a diaper.
Ay, ang ganda takip.
What cute shoes. I need it to be the same
Saan ba
color.
masakit dyan? Tingin mo may maga dyan?
Oo, ito maga, oh. Maga. Itang maga, oh.
Hindi ko malamang maga kasi ang taba eh. Parang hindi naman eh.
Yung ano, halat.
After we have been designated as a cooperative city,
Sabi, dapat may kapitan ka. Doon ka, ayan no, sa may hagdan.
This is gonna be
Mali
the
ang
teeny
pwesto
color.
mo.
That's gonna be my
Parang gusto
cute
mo
baby.
madaganan ng mga tao dito ah.
Hindi?
Eh siya, dyan ka na lang. Kumapit ka na.
Yan na lang ano sigas yan.
Now,
Kami.
this is gonna be the house.
Aba. Anong gusto? Anong gusto? Ay. Ang uhog ko. Ang uhog.
Eh?
Ang uhog ko.
Mommy, did you bring me water, sir?
Oh, ano ginagawa mo?
Oh. Higa.
Dapat may alalay ka, may kapitan kang isa, hindi mo kasi mapapwersa. Kasi ang katawan mo, mother, sa totoo lang, overweight ka na.
Overweight na.
Overweight ka. Tapos maedad ka pa, mabigat
Lapitan
ng
mo muna
katawan
ito.
mo. Tapos mahina pa ang tuhod mo, ang pwersa mo.
I think she likes
Kung
to
sapo
sit
ng
there
mga ano mo.
with her mom.
Oo.
Kumain na kayo, akin na. Dalad mo na lang si mama ng pagkain. Makakain na kayo.
Hindi, nagaling ko pati.
Ito, nagingipin ng anak.
Okay.